Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting little drone, a 4K HD foldable mini drone that boasts obstacle avoidance. Right out of the box, one of the first things you notice is its size and design. It's described as a mini drone, and it certainly lives up to that, especially with its foldable arms. This design is fantastic for portability. You can easily fold it up and stash it in a backpack or even a larger pocket, making it super convenient to take with you on trips or just to the local park for a quick flight. Another big plus, especially for those eager to get flying, is that it's listed as ready to go. This means it comes fully assembled, so you don't have to worry about putting anything together. You just charge the battery, connect it, and you're pretty much ready for your first adventure in the sky. Now, let's talk about some of the key features. It comes equipped with a camera. While the headline mentions 4K and even 8K, the detailed specs list the video capture resolution at 1080p and effective still resolution at 12 megapixels. So, you can expect clear full HD video and decent 12MP photos from your aerial perspective. This is certainly adequate for capturing casual footage and photos of your flights and surroundings. A standout feature, particularly for beginners or flying in areas with potential hazards, is the advanced obstacle avoidance system. This is a significant safety net. The drone is designed to detect obstacles and navigate around them, which can prevent crashes and make the learning process much less stressful. It adds a layer of confidence when you're flying, knowing the drone is actively trying to avoid bumping into things. Underneath, it's powered by brushless motors. Brushless motors are generally more efficient, quieter, and more durable than brushed motors often found in smaller or less expensive drones. This should translate to a smoother, more reliable flight experience and potentially a longer lifespan for the drone itself. The drone is also described as beginner-friendly and app-controlled. Being app-controlled is standard for many modern drones, allowing you to see the camera feed, control the flight, and access features directly from your smartphone. The beginner-friendly aspect, combined with the obstacle avoidance, makes this drone seem like a solid choice for someone just getting into the hobby. It comes with one battery, which is typical for many drones at this level. While the listing mentions long battery life as a special feature, having just one battery means your flight sessions will be limited to the duration of that single charge, so picking up extra batteries might be something to consider if you plan on longer flying sessions. Overall, this foldable mini drone with obstacle avoidance appears to pack some valuable features into a portable package. The combination of a foldable design, ready-to-go status, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors, along with 1080p video and 12MP stills, makes it an appealing option, especially for new pilots looking for a safe and easy entry into the world of drones.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.